A new insane image generator model has just come out from Luma AI and is available on Dream Machine. They say it's available to use completely for free to test it out. However, right now probably their servers are overloaded and I cannot test it out. However, I found loads of community generated videos to show to you. But before we do so, let's get started with the actual promotional content and material. And I want you to pay close attention because what you are going to see is pretty incredible.
When you close your eyes, what do you see? When we talk about reality, how do you know what is real? Or what is simply your imagination? Now open your eyes.
Guys, this is absolutely insane. The model is called RAY3 and it has some very nice and interesting things. Already we can see the quality is absolutely insane. So it has great fidelity. It's able to simulate anatomy. It's quite consistent on the generation. It keeps consistency. Also, it can generate complex, huge worlds with very nice lighting, effects like photorealism and motion blur. And also, this is the first video model that is able to reason, which is pretty insane. Like, we're getting reasoning video models, we're getting reasoning image models. Reasoning is actually pushing the frontier across every modality. Guys, already this looks so amazing. Like, I gotta say, if this is actually true and the result we will see from community in just a little bit is true, this is going to be a groundbreaking tech. And guys, the reality is that it can get text on the image and understand what to generate. And we can already see it happening. This is something that we first seen from VO3, but right now we see it at even better quality through this model. This is pretty incredible in my opinion. And they're also doing something very nice. They release a draft mode that it is 5 times cheaper and you can use it to iterate on your idea with lower quality while spending less. So when you have crafted the perfect prompt and the perfect scene for your use case, you can just allocate more capital to generate it on high quality. And I think this is a very nice and interesting idea. Also, Ray has native AGR capabilities, which also pushes the quality of the image and the video quite a lot. We can see here with standard and here with HDR, the colors are so more vibrant, so more beautiful. And I think this is a very big step. The model is available on lumalabs.ai and on /Ray you are able to see the release, all of the things that this model is able to do, which I think is pretty amazing. Already, as we have seen from the first actions, this is insane. So if you go to try it now, you are going to find this untitled board and you can use here, you can select here video RAY3 and start generating videos. However, when I try to do it, it really does not go ahead with my generation. Even though we were supposed to wait for a lot, sadly their server seems to be overloaded. So maybe you guys find it out later on and it works for you. In terms of plan, you are able to generate about 40 videos per month with just a $10 subscription. For a $30 subscription, you are able to generate 125 videos. And for a $95 per month subscription, you get the same amount of credits and you get unlimited use in relax mode, which is probably meaning that you can wait, but get unlimited usage. So this seems pretty amazing. And by getting the Plus and Unlimited subscription, you don't have watermarks and you can use it for commercial use. And also get the highest quality of video generation plus HDR. So that already seems pretty insane. And of course, if a lab like Luma can put this out, I think Google and all of the other video generation and AI companies can even push it further. So let's see this video generated by Luma and by a person that used Luma. Okay, so I'm going to stop here because this is pretty insane. This is, of course, I've seen some artifacts, some hallucinations, some lack of consistency, but we can already see that we are pretty close to CGI and videos near, near movie quality. We're maybe 6 months to a year away from this getting completely insane. And these are furthermore even more examples. Of course, these are probably the best results of the model, but they already seem so good. I gotta be honest, like amateurs can absolutely create short movies with this for about $100 per month, which by itself is an insane feat. This is pretty amazing, and oh my god, filmmakers are going to have such an issue. CGI creators are going to have such an issue because these models are looking absolutely insane. In all honesty, this is the strangest era to live in. This is absolute insanity. The quality, the physics. Oh my god, the realism. Everything looks so amazing in all of the examples that we're seeing right now. Let's go ahead and check this out. So this is a guy running out of the tower, and we can see that this is actually the worst example out of all we have seen. So this is probably done through the free version, but we can already see some hallucinations. So that's also good to know that maybe not everything is perfect. So again, amazing results. These are so insane. Like, it opens up so many possibilities for people to create amazing things. Like, look at this girl, look at this thing. Oh my god. I don't know, guys. I really want you to let me know down below in the comments if you have seen something more insane. This is a man versus a gorilla. Okay, that's interesting. This is quite insane. So guys, in all honesty, this is arguably the most insane. Arguably, this is the most insane video model I have ever seen up till now. Like, it's at least one scale better than Veo 3, which in my opinion is the best video model out there. Of course, Veo 4 is in the making, and I think Veo 4 will probably catch up. But having, a company create something like this, oh my god, this is insane. This looks absolutely amazing. Oh my god, this quality is shocking. This is I don't know, I'm literally shocked right now. I really can't speak. So hopefully you found this interesting. Maybe in the future give it a try. Maybe you are able to access it and use it, and let me know your opinion down below in the comments.